Hey, what's up, guys? So, my name's Jacob Erickson. I'm a pre-managerial sciences major at Georgia State. Alright, so picture this. You're chilling in the library, it's probably 1 or 2 in the morning, it's just super late, and you're mentally drained and physically fatigued, and ultimately you're just staring at an Excel document trying to make sense of some data. So it seems like just a bunch of monotonous, boring numbers that don't make any sense and you can't really use for anything analytically. But I'm here today to tell you that you can. So you can pretty much implement a pivot chart or a pivot table to kind of orient and just change around this data to where your parameters are laid out differently and you kind of see it in a different light. So stick around and I'm going to show you how you can use this and implement this. Alright guys, so here's our data set. Now at this point we're feeling really sorry for ourselves, just looking at this behemoth, wondering how are we going to make anything out of this? But really it's simple. So first off, for our pivot chart, you want to select all of your data. And you can do that in a few ways. Normally I'd suggest just kind of going over and highlighting everything like this. But in this situation, that is not practical at all. It would just take forever. Alright, so what we want to do now is just kind of click this top left corner triangle right here, and that's going to select all of your data. Alright, and then you're going to go to Insert, the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. So yeah, that's our selected data set, and then you want to do a new worksheet. Alright, so now we have to try and sort all of this. So these are pretty much like the parameters of your chart. You can conceptualize what a chart would look like. Yeah. But yeah, we want to put retailer country in our column section. So you pretty much just click on it, drag it over here. Not too bad. We want to put order method type in our rows section. So just do the same with that and drag it to rows. And then this next part is a bit trickier, but still relatively self-explanatory. So what you want to do is you want to go down, and we're going to take our revenue and drag it into this sigma value section, like so. Alright, and then pretty much at this point, we want to format it to where these numbers under our chart are, they actually have, dollar signs next to them, and you can make sense of them, of the fact that they're dollar amounts as opposed to just random numbers. So what we want to do for that is click on this little eye, and then we are going to do average. Actually, first let's format our numbers. So what you want to do is you want to click on number, and then these are pretty much different ways you can format the numbers in the data set. So what we want to do is we just want to do our currency. So click on currency, decimal places is fine, and then press OK. And for this, we're going to do the average as well. So just click on average and press OK. Alright guys, so here is just our raw chart itself. Like I said, it's really easy. Nothing to it pretty much. Alright, so at this point, if you're still a bit overwhelmed with all of these numbers, regardless of if they're streamlined, you can actually filter some of these out. So for example, you could filter it out to where you only get your email and fax sections. But today we're just going to filter it out to get only a couple countries. Alright, so what you want to do if you want to filter it in that sense is just click on this column labels, little triangle right here, like so. And then today we just want to filter it to where we can only see the UK and the US. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to press select all, and then just click on the UK and the US. Yeah. Alright, so now as you can see, it's just those two countries that we can see their respective revenue. Alright, so now the final thing we want to do today is we want to actually create a graph itself. So in this situation, we're going to do a clustered bar chart. So pretty much this is really easy too in itself, So what you want to do is you just want to select all your data again, and go to the Insert tab. And here you have a few different options for what you want to do. So yeah, like I said, we want to do clustered bar. So you're going to click this one right here, and just press that clustered bar. And there you have it. There's our chart. So we can rename this, something, whatever we're feeling for the day. So why not just do clustered bar? And yes, it's all really self-explanatory, You can definitely kind of format data if it's a bit overwhelming to your needs using things like pivot charts and just other, valuable tools in Excel. But yeah, thanks guys. I'm Jacob Erickson, and just let me know if this helps you in any way.